the next question is similar about technology. So, what technology based careers are in demand?
Uh, Technology-based careers are in demand. Trending careers, if I talk about ethical hacker, emerging ethical hacker, if I talk about, then गेम डेवलपर काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिमांड में है इसमें. देन इफ आई से एआई आर्किटेक्ट, एआई मशीन लर्निंग, देन और हम computational engineers, product designers. Then if I talk about drone operators, technology based career, if you're asking about robotics, mechatronics, and then data science, we have data science. Then if I talk about pharmacy we have. Then we blockchain careers, blockchain developer. Then cryptographers we have. Then or entrepreneurship is in demand. Design architects, environment designers, and we have urban planners. So cybersecurity तो cybersecurity it's in demand. So robotics. So these robotics. So these
Okay,
few.
so many options are there.
So many options are there. But bottom line is this, that you require physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. These are mandatory too for these careers. So for these careers, these subjects are mandatory.